She knows that she likes you, Day. That you have a cat.
Belly rubs, belly rubs.
I know that feeling. You want to be adopted too.
Oh no, yeah. She's newly, she's a nursing mom. That's why.
She's looking for the baby?
Yeah, she's a surgeon. Maybe the baby's thrown away.
Day ka bago sila noon eh. You like, you have a cat.
Yeah.
You still have a cat right now?
Yeah.
No, they
We
know
have
that. 11? Oh my gosh, how did you take care of
We
that?
had 12 last Sunday and then we lost one.
Oh,
We have 4 dogs now.
that's
We
so
used to have
cute.
5. No!
Mamaak siya. Basta sabutan ng mamaak sila.
Playing. Gigil.
Oh, day. Malagkuhan ka siya
Ito
ni
yung mga
mo.
pusa namin. Pero yung paak nila, ganyan lang.
Ala lang, Ako ka madlock ko.
Kapag ginanon mo
she's
yun,
so
tsaka
cute.
tsaka ka masusugat.
Kabago siya ni mo, day.
Oo nga eh. Sabi niya, amoy pusa to.
They know that if you raise some...
Maybe he said, get your car and come back here and pick me up.
Ay,
Oh
Ezekiel.
no, Ezekiel, Kuya Yaray might do it really.
What? No?
Yeah, he might really do it. We had cats before.
But the thing is, I'm allergic. Same with
Oh yeah, you're allergic.
If you do
You
that,
should not have a lot of fur because you might get allergic.
if you bring a cat like new, or if you bring in your house, are they fighting? No.
For
Right away?
1-2 days,
Yeah.
they're not fighting, but they
Stay away.
they hiss.
Ming! They're cute.
So we separate them, tapos we